Hello, good morning, dear children. Today's thought for the day is treat others the way you want to be treated. We should always treat or behave nicely with others. We should try to make an effort to be kind to others. Today, we are going to start with story 22. The name of the chapter is The Rabbit Wants a Carrot. I will be reading this chapter loudly so that you will know how to read a story and how to pronounce the words. Words we know: beak, chirp, chew, home, baby, silly, ready, very, what, here, when, suit, chop, chip, chap, much, catch, lunch, who, day, today, dark, fat, start. New sound: Y as in happy. Special words: hugged, came, money, see, only. Let's begin with the chapter, my dear children. I hope you all are ready. Jenny had a baby rabbit. The rabbit's name was Bunny. My rabbit wants a carrot, said Jenny. Here you can see Jenny, baby, bunny are the words in which Y makes the sound of letter E. So here Jenny had a baby rabbit and its name was Bunny. It wants a carrot to eat. So children, repeat with me: Jenny, bunny, baby. Once again, Jenny, bunny, baby. Wonderful. Bunny is very hungry. I will call my dad. I will tell him my rabbit wants a carrot. Now, here are children. Bunny, the pet rabbit, is very hungry and Jenny is going to tell her dad that the bunny wants a carrot. Here, bunny and hungry have Y in them, but it makes the sound of letter E. Repeat with me, children. Bunny, bunny, hungry, hungry. Dad, will you come here, please? Then Jenny's dad came to the garden to see Jenny and her rabbit. Here, Jenny is calling her dad to come to the garden, and the dad walks to the garden to have a look at Jenny and her rabbit. You look upset, said Jenny's dad. What is the matter, Jenny? Is your bunny happy? Now, Dad is asking Jenny that why is she upset? Is something wrong with her? Is her bunny happy? Now Dad is tensed. What exactly is happening? Why Jenny is upset? Now here children, happy, bunny, Jenny are the three words wherein you can see Y, but you will hear the sound of letter E. Letter E. Repeat with me. Jenny, bunny, happy. Now here children, you will tell me the words that are making the sound of letter E while we have put Y with them. The words are very good. Bunny, Jenny, only, baby. Wonderful. I repeat, Bunny, Jenny, only, baby. I love Bunny, said Jenny, but he has no food. If we don't give him food soon, he will not live. He is only a baby. Now here children, Jenny is expressing her love towards her bunny, and she is concerned that they do not have any food for the bunny, so he may die if he will not have food soon. I do not have a carrot, said Jenny's dad, but let me see. If you go to the shop, you can get him a carrot. Now here children, Jenny's dad do not have a carrot, but he is saying that if Jenny goes to the shop, she can buy carrot for the bunny. Yes. I have no money, Jenny said. All I have in my money box is 10 marbles. I cannot get Bunny a carrot at the shop. Jenny looked sad. Now Jenny is talking to her dad that she has no money in her money box. In the money box, she has 10 marbles. So she cannot buy a carrot for the bunny. So Jenny was even more sad now, my dear children. Here, money, Jenny, bunny are the words which have Y in them, but Y makes the sound of letter E. Repeat the words with me. Jenny, money, bunny. Wonderful, my dear children. Now let's move further to know what is happening in the story. I see. Well, I will give you some money, said Jenny's dad. He gave her some money from his pocket. Now you can get your rabbit a box of carrots. Now here children, Jenny's dad is very kind. He gave some money from his pocket to Jenny and told her to bring a box of carrot for her rabbit. Can you carry a box of carrots all the way home? Asked Jenny's dad. Now Jenny's dad is asking Jenny, will she be able to carry the carrot box to home? Yes, I can carry them, said Jenny. She looked happy and hugged her dad. Now we must hurry to the shop. Now here children, Jenny was very happy that she is going to get a box of carrot for her bunny. So she hugged her dad and they were hurrying to the shop. Children, hug means holding someone tightly in your arms, and hurry means to act speedily, very quickly. Yes, the words which makes the sound of letter E, R, carry. Happy, hurry. Repeat with me. Carry, happy, hurry. Once again. Carry, happy, hurry. Jenny and Bunny went to the shop. Here is the money, said Jenny to the shop girl. They got a box of carrots. Here, children, Jenny and Bunny rushed to the shop. She gave money to the shop girl and got a box of carrot for the bunny. They came home and had a carrot party. See, Bunny is happy now, said Jenny. So, now they came home and had a party in which they had a lot of carrots. Bunny was very happy. The words that make the sound of letter E are party, Bunny, happy, Jenny. I repeat, party, Bunny, happy, Jenny. Here the story comes to the end. But we are still left with, let's see what are we left with. Words we have used. Words we have used. Hugged, baby, see, money, came, only, garden, home, what? Some new words are army. Army means group of people who fight for the nation. Body. Body, physical structure which includes bones and muscles. Copy means similar or same, making something similar or same. Envy, to get jealous. Lily, it is a type of a flower. Pity means when you feel bad, sad or sorry for others. Ugly means unattractive. Ugly means unattractive. Very means a lot, much. You have something much. Hilly. Hilly means a place with many hills. Here we come to the end of the chapter. I hope you understood the chapter well. Now here comes the homework. You need to read the chapter loudly in front of your parents. Till then, stay home, stay safe, happy learning. Bye.